I wanted to show you something we're working on today, and I do want to point out this will be available for Camaro, Equinox, Terrain, Cruise, and I'm hoping to show you the Camaro and Equinox after this video. But for right now, I don't have a car handy, but I have a Lacrosse right here on the bench rigged up. So as you can see, I've got a Buick Lacrosse control panel here that I can full control whatever we want to do there. I do have volume and all the different apps and whatnot for IntelliLink. So what we have done is we can now add what we're calling AutoPlay. It's MVI's version of CarPlay and Android Auto, but this is AutoPlay. It will do both iPhone and Android with full touch control. So let me go ahead and access. As you can see, we've got the full CarPlay experience here. Google Maps. I don't have Waze on here, but full mapping, audio. And what's really cool here, guys, is once you're inside of here, so we want to be on aux. And I've got audio. So with that going there, I can now go into my maps. Let's just do Google Maps, for instance. As you can see, audio will still play, and then we can go in and add destination, whatever else you want to do. So go to 1331 West 121st Avenue. Music came back on. We're now searching, and we can go. So as you can see, the directions will come on over the audio. You'll have to play music from your iPhone or say Pandora if you wanted to, podcast. But this will, while you're in aux mode, go ahead and override all of that. So pretty cool stuff. We'll show you also when we unplug this. This is Android compatible. I don't have a Android phone with me, but this is also Android compatible. And the second I plug the iPhone in, it recognizes and connects, and we are now full Android. So Siri, what's the weather today in Denver, Colorado?
It's currently cloudy and 57 degrees in Denver. Expect rain starting in the afternoon, and cloudy skies tonight with mixed conditions for the rest of the day. Temperatures are heading down from 57 degrees this afternoon to 41 tonight. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
So full voice control, guys, of our system. Now I'm going to show you one other cool little thing. I can also now switch this, and we are going to mirror the phone as well. So now I've got my whole entire iPhone on here, and I'm just going to go to YouTube. And we're full video coming from the iPhone, whatever you want to do, YouTube, Netflix, obviously Facebook if you wanted. Any other apps that you may use here is wide open to use. So pretty cool stuff, guys. Again, retroing 2010 to 2015-16 Camaro with the bass radios, 2010 to 2013 Lacrosse, 2010 to 2017 Chevy Equinox and Terrain, and at least 2013, possibly before, and up to 2016 Chevy Cruise. So for more information, more videos to follow, but give us a call. Pretty exciting stuff here, guys. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Hey guys, good morning. You're with MVI, just doing a part 2, continuation from yesterday. Yesterday we brought you the 2010 through 2013 Buick Lacrosse MVI AutoPlay upgrade, which is basically the Apple and Android interface, phone interface for the vehicles. Also does some smartphone mirroring capabilities. And so today I'm going to show you the Equinox 2010 through 2017, basically Chevy Equinox and GMC Terrain. And then hopefully later today I can show you, fire up the Camaro and show you that. So let's go ahead and get started. As you'll see on the screen there, I'm going to have the Equinox, my link, come up. And I'm not in a car, but it's fully simulated right here. And as you see, I've got full control of the buttons and whatnot. Audio, I don't have the antenna hooked up, but we do have audio, etc. So I'm gonna leave it on static for a second and then go ahead and enter into the interface. So Android and iPhone capable. I'm still working the bugs out on Android. I'm an iPhone user, so likely this is all user error. I can't show you Android just yet, but I will once I have it up and running. So today we'll show you the iPhone as usual. And you're going to see once I plug this guy in, it's immediately going to say connecting. So I'm at this point just going to lay my phone down. And we now have the Apple interface, which is known as CarPlay, right here on the screen. So we can now use our, go to whatever you want. I'm going to switch to aux. So now I've got, of course, my music playing here on the background. So what I do want to point out here, which is kind of cool, so you can actually go into the app here. Now go to your Apple Maps and or Google Maps. If I had Waze on here, that could be used as well. But I'll just go to Apple Maps. And Flatirons Mall. And as you can see, the music just came back on. I can hit go.
Starting route to Colorado Rockies Dugout Store. Head northwest on Josephine Street, then turn left onto East 159th Avenue.
So pretty cool stuff. Now you can do your guidance right here. Go ahead and end it and listen to your music coming from your phone. So if you want to do Pandora or anything on your phone library, music library, you could. Podcast, have the audio playing, still have the turn-by-turn pop in over the top of the music and then come back on. Of course, make phone calls. And obviously text messaging as well. So scroll on through here and go back and forth with all that. So Siri, what's the weather in Westminster, Colorado today?
I don't know where that is.
What's the weather in Denver, Colorado today?
It's currently partly cloudy and 44 degrees in Denver.
So full voice recognition, full touch controls of the system. And then if you want to mirror the phone, we get replugged back in. Our phone mirroring interface. Now got my smartphone displayed on the screen. And so now we can do full phone mirroring as well. So YouTube, Netflix, you know, anything from your phone. This guy, if I had an Android phone, I could also mirror it as well and get the full spectrum. So this is our new AutoPlay piece. Does give you the Apple interface along with phone mirroring. Android, I'm still working the kinks out, like I said. I'm sure that's just user error. And then phone mirroring on both Android and iPhone. So pretty cool stuff here, guys. Hoping to bring you the Camaro later today, but as usual, for more information, just give us a ring or shoot us a message. Thank you so much. Right, guys, you're here live with MVI, and like promised, continuation from yesterday, I do have the Camaro fired up here on display, and I'm going to show you our AutoPlay system for it. So we do have audio, etc., all fired up here on the bench. I am going to go ahead and go to aux input, because that's what you're going to want to be in for this interface to really function for you as far as voice guidance from navigation and whatnot. But let's go ahead and access the interface. So just like the Lacrosse and the Equinox, we now have our full Apple interface right here on the screen. We can go ahead and have full control of your music, Pandora, podcasts, whatever you may want to use. And then as usual, we can go to our maps and do a destination. So let's just go here.
Starting route to 1331 West 121st Avenue.
You can see it brings the music back on. So cool way to kind of entertain yourself and get your Apple Maps, Google Maps, and or Waze Maps if you have those. I just don't have the app installed. And then all your other Apple interface features. Fully functional with the voice recognition and touch control right on the screen. Siri, what's the weather in Denver, Colorado today?
Partly cloudy and 57 degrees in Denver. Expect mostly cloudy skies.
So as you can see, we've got full voice rec, full touch control, and then we can go ahead and also mirror the phone just like on the Lacrosse and the Equinox that we've shown you. So let me get to that. So now I've got full phone mirroring. So whatever you may want to do on your phone, videos, Netflix, YouTube, Facebook, yada yada yada, it's all right here. Full phone mirroring capabilities. So pretty cool stuff, guys. Just like yesterday, for more information, feel free to shoot us a message, shoot us a text, or give us a call at the 1-866 number. Thanks so much.